Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, teman-teman, jumpa lagi kita bersama saya Ade. Ya, tentu di YouTube Adik Papa Channel. Jadi bagi teman-teman yang mendukung channel ini supaya berkembang terus dan bisa mengikuti video-video terbaru dari AKC ini, jangan lupa pencet tombol subscribe, bila yang suka di like, dan bila ada informasi yang bermanfaat di share. Jadi saya pada sore ini lebih kurang pukul atau jam 4:45 menit ya, lebih kurang ya, berada di warkop
G2.
apa?
G2.
G2. Jadi G2 itu perbatasan Genteng ya. Ya, Genteng ya. Warkop Bicut. Ya.
Gunong Genteng.
Gunung Genteng. Alhamdulillah di sini sudah dibuat kopi sama Bicut ini ya. Jadi Bicut duduk di sebelah kanan saya, silakan.
Dia nampak je.
Oh, nggak apa-apa, yang penting kan nggak nampak orang. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Jadi teman-teman, ini pas di depan dayahnya atau madrasah yang dibangun oleh guru kami bersama atau guru kita, atau lebih dikenal di daerah Utara ini, Kluet Raya, Tengku Getanyo ya, yang dibangun oleh almarhum Tengku Zainun, almarhum Tengku Haji Zainun PH. Jadi yang diwakafkan oleh keluarga Bicut ini ya. Jadi nanti saya bakal memperlihatkan kepada teman-teman di sekitar madrasah ini, dan setelah itu baru kita terbangkan drone ya. Baik teman, ini dulu yang bisa dibuka sepatah dua patah kata-kata. Bila ada silap dan salah mohon diperbanyak maaf. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. to see me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Stepping up, don't be scared. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my